Hey everybody, Julie the Would-Be Chick here, and it is day 15 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. I love this idea. I just love this idea. Your yarn works really, really hard to make you happy. I mean, it works so hard just trying to please you. I think it's nice to give your yarn a nice cozy place to go relax and chill in a hammock. Okay, that's pretty silly and ridiculous. However, I think this is an adorable idea. I love that it's like stacked up in the corner of the house. So again, little people's fingers and little fur babies' paws cannot get into it. It's tucked away. It's very boho, which you can make this in different colors. This is a pattern as well, so you can crochet yourself a place for your yard. Like, how perfect is that, right? It's right up there with crocheting a project bag. You're crocheting your storage unit. I also think that you could put these up in the corner in tiers. So you could have, you know, a top bunk, a medium bunk, a lower bunk, you know, something like that might be a good idea too. So then you'd have even more storage for your yarn. I've seen this idea before with little plushie dolls, you know, little stuffed animals and that sort of thing. And so if you're an amigurumi lover, there's a place for those too. All right. I hope you guys liked this idea. I thought it was really, really cute. And I love the idea that you can make your own yarn storage. I think that's a really great idea. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. Please let me know in the description box. No, not in the description box. Please let me know in the comment box below what you're thinking about this series. Do you like these short little videos coming to you once a day? I think they're fun. So I hope you're thinking they're fun too. Let me know. Okay, everybody, until tomorrow, have a great, great day, and I'll see you again for day 16. What will it be? Bye.